Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're back again with another hair video. So today I'm going to show you how to style your hair in under 5 minutes. This is what I'm going to be styling. I had mine on in this protective hairstyle for about a day or so. Actually, yeah, it's just been a day. So if this is you and you're wondering, oh my god, how can I style my hair, and you're so tired of trying out the same styles every day, let me show you something that you can do in under 5 minutes, very quickly, early in the morning when you're rushing to work, or just wherever. So let's just get right into it. So step one, just remove, undo your hair. I'll be using my rattle comb and I'll be doing this process very gently. You don't want to damage your hair, break it, or anything of the sort. So if your hair is dry, just moisturize it a little bit, then begin. So now that we're done with the hard part, yes, that is actually the hardest part. Now we'll just begin styling this hair very fast. I'll take my bobby pins, right? Just take maybe three of them. So now I'll just start styling the hair. I'll work with the hair at the back. I'll just be working with the chunks of hair that I unbraided. So I'll start with the first chunk, just tuck it in. I'm literally just rolling it up together and placing it at the center of my head and taking the bobby pin and hooking it up. So I'll repeat the same process all over the head with the hair that is just open at the back. Just roll the hair, tuck it in, secure it with the bobby pin, and that's pretty much it for the styling at the back. The other thing to note is I'm actually clipping the hair together in a bun. So it's a bun design that I'm literally rolling it up together in sort of like a bun, then I'll end up tucking it in once I'm done. Okay guys, I know I look crazy, but I've just realized that I need to change up the hairstyle that I was creating, because my hair is a bit short and the hairstyle is just not working, honestly. So I realized I used to do this hairstyle. I recently cut my hair actually, so a few inches, and that makes a huge difference when you're trying to style your hair in a certain way. So I realized that the length at the back is a bit short, because all I wanted to do was just roll this up and roll this up again and just tuck it in. Actually, I wasn't tucking it in, just like that, and just have the hair just packing out and just looking all cute and stuff. But what I'm gonna do is I'll take the 2 sections here at the front. I'll just leave this whole area as it is. I think it's fine. Then I'll take this 2 and literally almost just do like a twist.
Nanny, did a mistake.
Okay. Then do that, and I've tucked it in. I don't want like a huge knot there. I just need it to be flat and just look like sort of in place. That's basically it. And the rest of the hair at the back, I think I'll just take another bobby pin and secure the hair so that it doesn't unravel. Wait. My little baby here has just woken up. Look at all the oil on my hand. I washed my hair yesterday. Yeah, it's very moisturized. Take it back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's hairstyle. I had to stop in the middle of the hair. So, you know, I was wondering, what's happening? I was trying to attach this hair to this hair and it just wasn't working out. I wasn't understanding what was happening. So now that it's working and the style has like styled, we can move on. So I think that's pretty much it. I'll just take a brush and like brush here and here. So I'll just brush this hair just a little bit. And brush this one again. And also at the back. And we are done. 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 And there we go with our 5-minute hairstyle. So the more defined your curls, actually the better the hairstyle. Like it turns out really, really nicely. You can try that. You can have like a braid out or twist out on for about 2-3 days. Or even a week, and then try this hairstyle, and like your fringe here will be popping, okay? It will be popping. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I like doing this. So this is how the hair looks at the back. I love it. I ended up tucking the bun all together so that it looks neat, and it's so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Do you like it? Yes, you love it, we all love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, if you stayed this long. And remember to subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, see you in the next one. Mwah.